Hello everyone, Erin here from Luxe Fifth Wheels, and today we're picking back up our follow series with the Luxe 33 EFS fifth wheel. In our last video, we wrapped up the flooring stage. If you missed that part, I'll link it below so you can catch up with us. But today, we're moving on to the next station. And while this video might be a bit shorter than the others, it's an important part of the build. So right now, you may have noticed that the generator bay is now enclosed and the prep box has been installed. This owner chose not to include a generator with their build, but we will always add the generator prep box just in case they decide further on down the road that they want to install one. Keeps their options open without needing to open up anything. As we move around the chassis, you can see the team is beginning to prep the water lines. And those black tubes you're noticing, those are for insulating the PEX lines, keeping everything protected and performing in all 4 seasons. Something that we also didn't get to see at the last station to its finality is that the floor is officially installed. Those hand-laid tiles are in place. Now, at this station, the team is focused on several things: running and insulating the water lines, running plumbing, installing the interior walls, and beginning to place heavier components like our porcelain toilet in the bathroom. They're also prepping the water bay on the outside and the water filter, which is a 3-stage water filter. This video may be shorter, but this station is a key transition moment because at the next station, it's one of my absolute favorites to talk about. That's where we move on to the exterior walls. And this is the point where the chassis stops looking like just a chassis and finally starts looking like a real fifth wheel. In that video, we're going to take a deep dive into our exterior wall construction, insulation, and what makes Luxe truly stand out. Thank you so much for joining me in this step in our follow series. Even the small stations and the smaller videos have a bigger role to play in the overall build. We love bringing you along to see each part of the process. I hope you enjoy this series as much as I enjoy sharing it with you, and I'll see you in the next one.